If any of you are ready, you can speak. Now you can start. When anyone is ready, you may tell and start. Ready na? මට කිව්වා පටන් ගත්තා.
කියන්නද?
Sure, පුතා start. Okay, sure.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, පුතායි මායා.
මේ මොනවාද textbook එකේ තියෙන මේ මොනවාද බලාගෙන කියන්නද?
කමන්නේ. ආරම්භයක් විතර ඕන කරේට මම බලාගෙන යන කියන chance එකක් දෙනවා. හරි පුතේ. දිනුති. You can continue.
My favorite cricketer is Kusal Janik Perera. He is a Sri Lankan cricketer. He was born in Kalubowil on 17 August 1990. He is a left-handed opening batsman. He has played in many test matches, one-day internationals, and T20s, and scored many centuries and half centuries. He is a good fielder too. He is not bowler. He joined the Sri Lanka cricket team in January 2013. He was a key member of the 2014 ICC World 20 team.
Okay, yes, very good. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
මේ මට මේ පොඩි කියවන්න අමාරු වචනයක් තියෙනවා. දැන් ඇහුවට කමක් නැද්ද?
කමන්නේ.
EXPECTING.
Sorry, ST.
EXPCTING.
පුතේ sorry ආයෙකින් කියන P
EE
E ද පටන් ගන්න E. Okay, ES ද
XX.
X. Okay, A.
නැත්නම් මම chat එකක් දාන්නද?
හරි පුතේ ඔයා මට ස්පෙලිං කියනවා පැහැදිලි මදි, ක්ලියර් මදි. ඒකයි පැහැදිලි වුණා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Okay, anyway, it's okay. හරිය. Yes, අද හරිය.
EEC.
Yes. Anyone else can start speaking now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes පුතා, expecting බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
Expecting.
Yes, බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
මම එහෙනම් පටන් ගන්නද දැන්?
Sure.
Unit 9, sugar or sand. May you live long, my lord and my queen. I was expecting you under it. It's fine day, isn't it? Under a shall we go for a walk in the royal garden? Yes, my lord, if you please. What's under that mat, your majesty? Under it. This is a kind of white sand. The royal garden has put it there to dry. Well, this is not white sand. It is sugar. If only I could taste it. I must play a trick. After a while, my lord, please permit me to leave now. Yes, you may.
Okay පුතා, very good.
Son, I am going to the palace again. As I Lord, you come the palace crying and tell me that your mother died. All right, father, under at the palace. May you live long, your majesty. I hope you enjoyed your lunch. My lord, here comes my son. Oh, he looks so sad. Why are you crying, my son? Oh, father, mother died. I can't
Yes.
live without her. What shall we do now? I am heartbroken. Who will take care of us now? What's the use of my life now? Let's eat this sand. I too want to die.
Okay, Buddha. Next, Matila, then Dinuti. Chodhana karo.
Sir, may I speak now?
Sure.
A great person I like. There are many great persons, but the greatest person I like is my mother. My mother is Nadisha Kalpage. She is from Moratuwa. She has one brother. She is a very kind woman. She does all my things. She wakes up early in the morning. She does everything very nicely. She cleans the house, prepares meals and drinks for us, wash our clothes. She never complains. She helps me in my studies too. She does not only my works, my sister and father's things too. She helps our neighbors too when they are in trouble, but she never expects anything in return. She loves us more than everything in the world. She does everything voluntarily. She is the greatest person I have ever seen and I love her. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Yes. Then next, Dinuti.
For communication. Communication in the modern world is well developed. For this, different types of light rays are used. Telephone messages are transmitted through optic fibers. Telephone connection networks across the main cities of Sri Lanka have been built using optic fibers. Optic fibers are used to connect computer networks and high standard audio visual equipment. They use optic fibers and laser rays to send telephone
Okay.
messages and to maintain internet connections. Medical field. At present, doctors are laser rays to treat eye patient in heart operation and to treat wound in the digestive system. This has increased the efficiency treatment. With the use of optic fibers, the interior parts of the body are easily observed. Here, the equipment used to lighten the interior of the body is called the endoscope.
Okay, very good. And this is Bhagavat. You have sent me Bhagavata. It's Bhagavat, something like that.
Excuse me, sir.
The
May I speak now?
sure, Buddha, sure. Okay, no one had asked. Kauru tahal dugune war bro.
My favorite book. My favorite book is Madal Duva. It is novel written by famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later Upali becomes a kind, hard-working young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, Buddha, very good. Very good. Really good. Appreciable. Yes, who is next? Kau bilang ada?
Sir, may I speak now?
Shavin chance ka dena pudi. Matila ite masu ada Matila. Okay, Shavin.
My school name is Piliandra Central College. It is one of the best schools in my city. It is a big school. There are about on thousand students read here. All students are very obedient. There is a big campus in my school. There are 20 classroom in my school. All rooms are air- airy. Education style is very up to the mark in my school. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay. Yes. Okay, Matila, now you. Matila, you can start.
Okay, sir. My ambition. We all have some ambition in our life. It is said that life without ambition is like a ship sailing without destination. My ambition of life is to become a doctor. It is a noble profession. A
Now,
doctor gets many chances to save human beings. He can save people from diseases. My wish is to serve the poor people. Thank you.
yes, Buddha, okay, very good. Okay, who is next?
So may I speak?
Sure, why not?
I am Imaya. My class is grade 6A. There are 47 children in my class. The classroom is not small. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are a lot of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and a teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color, and is a steel cupboard in the corner of the room. There is a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to the cupboard.
Okay, Buddha, very good.
There is no ceiling fan, but there are two big windows.
Uh-huh. Yes, Buddha, okay, very good. Huh? Yes, who is next? Who is next? Oh,
Sir, may I speak now?
sure, sure. Start with that.
My motherland. My motherland is Sri Lanka. It is the one most popular ancient country. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, so that people called it the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Serendip, Ceylon, Lankadeep are many names that called by ancestral. Sri Jayawardhanapura is the capital of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka made Sinhala as the main language in our country. There is a long and pride history in Sri Lanka. It was a British colony before 1948. Our independent day is 1948 of February 4th. My motherland is a Buddhism country. There are four main religions such as Buddhism, Islam, Hinduism, and Christianity. It is a democratic country. My country is rich of many resources. Even it is a small island, now it has become a miracle because of their beauty. There are a lot of marvelous places. The amazing gardens, attractive waterfalls, beautiful rivers, forests, and various plants, flowers are the main benefactors of increase the beauty. I love my country a lot and I protect my motherland. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, yes, who is next? Very good. Huh?
Can I speak now?
Yeah, sure, Buddha, sure. Okay. No, it's not up to you.
Unit 4, what can you see? Manuka, hey, don't put that pen in your mouth. Manuka's sister, why? Can't I? This is my new pen. Manuka,
I can also say
no, it is not. That's my black pen and those are my color pencils too. Manuka says, oh well, these are not yours. These color pencils are mine. Manuka, no, those color pencils are mine and that pen is also mine.
Yes, lots of training.
Manuka's sisters, no, they are mine. Manuka, don't shout. Let's not fight about this. Manuka's sisters, all right. Manuka, let me see. Is this your sock? Does have your name on it? Manuka's sisters, no, it doesn't. Manuka, then is my pen and those are color pencils. Maybe your color pencils are in your bag. Manuka's sisters,
Yes, okay.
let me see. Ah, yes, they are here. Sorry.
Yes, Buddha. Okay, very good. Okay, yes. Who is next? Who is next? Yes, any of you? I will also ask for from few people, more people, because my neighbor is a major. Was a major from 10 years ago. Now I think I question. I don't know when you question. 10 years ago, he was a major. Usually I don't talk with him. I have no time.
Jake monkey another.
Show the start. Show the start. Okay.
The first capital of Sri Lanka and remaining for 1,400 years Anuradhapura was a barn donated and swallowed by the dry zone jungle 2 centuries after Vijayabahu I had retaken the country and retained the Chola's capital at Polonnaruwa in the 11th century. The only king that has managed to live literally, really through the centuries, carefully attended by guardians all this time is the heart raw tree, the Sri Mahabodhi, grown from sampling of the Bodhi tree under which the Buddha attained enlightenment. The original Bodhi has science teeth, but the Sri Mahabodhi serves and has been worshipped for 23 centuries, making it the oldest tree in the world.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay. Who is next? Who is next?
So may I speak now?
Sure, sure, Buddha. Sure. Okay, sure. Okay, Buddha. Start.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Truth. Excuse me, where is the National Museum? Sandaru. It's in the main street. Truth. How can I do to the main street? Sandaru. Go along this road and turn left. It's the main street. Truth. All right, Sandaru. There is a park on your right. Next to the park is the museum. It is between the park and the art gallery. You can find it easily. True. Thank you very much, Sandaru. You are welcome. Enjoy your visit.
May I show you something? Okay, Buddha. Very good. Yes. Okay. Matila. Vimasha. Okay, Vimasha. Okay, Vimasha.
Health is wealth. Health is wealth.
Uh-huh.
There is nothing in our life that is more valuable than health. Without health, there is no peace, no success, and no happiness. We, when we are ill, we do not want to work or play. I health robs us of a good sleep and an appetite. Life becomes a burden for a person who is sick all the time. He feels tired of life and always complain about something or the other. But a person with good health enjoys his life. He never gets tired of work or play. He enjoys the beauty of the world and is happy with everything. He is able to work hard to make his dreams become a reality. He never complains and he is always happy and cheerful. He may be poor, he may have to work very hard to earn his living, but even the richest man will envy him for his good health. So I believe that the saying health is well is very true. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes,
Vimasha.
Vimasha,
Very good.
Okay, Matila, I couldn't hear you. Matila.
Tarushi.
Tarushi, Matila, and yeah.
Maliti.
You didn't talk. Maliti, yes.
Sir,
Yes, Buddha.
may I speak now?
Sure.
A day at the park. It is fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friends Vignesh, Situli, Vizivi, and Amanda are in the park with their families. Vizivi is climbing up a rope ladder.
Okay, climbing. Okay, pronounce climbing.
This is true.
Climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Niza is riding a pony.
Explains to why you know something like that. I don't exactly.
Finish?
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
who's next? Buddha, Matila, and
Tarushi.
also Tarushi.
Sir, may I speak now?
Sure, why not? Start. I was waiting. Okay, sure.
Role play. Sudeva. Hello, Yoga. Good morning, Yoga. Hello, Sudeva. Good morning. Is this grade 6A? Sudeva. Yes, this is grade 6A. Yoga. Great. That means I am in your class. Sudeva. Welcome to our class. Yoga. Thank you. Are Bismi and Akil here? Sudeva. Bismi is here, but Akil is not. He is in grade 6B. Raji is also in our class. Yoga. Oh, we will miss him. Where are the others? Sudeva. They are arranging the class. Yoga. Shall we go in? Sudeva. Yes, let's help them. Thank you.
Okay, Matila, very good.
Okay,
Okay,
very good.
Tarushi.
Yes, Tarushi also there. Tarushi and Maliti.
Sir, man කියන්නද?
Tarushi.
Okay, Tarushi.
I am Tarushi. My class is grade 6A. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lot of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and a teacher's table. The desk
are yellow in color and there is a steel cupboard.
Why I say this is important?
The
He must protect our
desk
yes.
is
I said
next to the
he said no.
cupboard.
Yes, who? Politicians.
There is
They take our money. They have
now fan, but there are
motivation. Content.
two big windows.
Very good, Tarushi. Very good. Maliti, are you ready?
Yes, who is next?
Okay, start, Maliti.
Okay.
Television. Nowadays, in every home, there is a television. There are a number of channels and programs in it. It has attracted all at home. The telecast dramas, musical shows, films, cartoons, cookery, handcraft, needlework, sports, educational programs, and news. News is very useful to everybody. We can hear and see what is happening around our country and world. Handcrafts gives lot of knowledge to the learners and those who are interested in that field. The educational programs are very useful for the children. The teledramas, films, musical shows, and cartoon give entertainment to people. Children can enjoy and improve their English by watching the cartoons and sports. But some children are highly addicted to the television. They are quite opposite the television looking at cartoons and sports. Not only children and elders also sometimes behave the same way. They too will get upset, which later leads to debates and high blood diabetes and high blood pressure. That is the only disadvantage at the television. We should use the television in the proper way. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Maliti. Okay, who's the
Yes.
next, Puta?
Who is next? You can start.
Sir, may I speak now?
අන්න දැන් සද්දන වල දැන් එකපාර දෙන්නෙක් අහනවා. දැන් තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. මතිල්ට මම chance එකක් දෙන්න. ඉමායා you spoken a few times. හරි. මතිල්ට මේක ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟට ඉමායා. ඊට පස්සේ දිනුති.
Sir, may I speak now?
Okay,
Sure,
start.
why not?
My favorite subject. There are many subjects which I study in school. One of them is English subject. It is my favorite subject. English is one of the leading language of the world. There are many reasons of having English as my favorite subject. English is the basic language of communication anybody anywhere in the world. This is the subject which I enjoy without getting bored.
Okay,
By,
Dinuti, chance.
by learning this subject, I tend to believe that I am able to cope various aspects
Okay,
of life.
Okay.
English is useful to live in this world, and my favorite English subject helps me in many ways. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. පුතේ පොඩි chance එකක් අපි දිනුතිට දීලෙමුද? මොකද දිනුති කියලා නැහැ. මං හිතුවේ දිනුති කියලා අක්කා කියලා තියෙන්නේ.
දිනුති ඊට පස්සේ ඉමායා next ඉමායා. ඊට පස්සේ අයිත් පැයට දෙනවා ඔක්කොම.
May I speak now?
Okay, start. Okay, Dinuti, start.
Teacher, I am not Dinti. I am
Okay, Kahiti, start.
Tidal waves. The water levels of the sea changes due to the effect of the sun and the moon. It is called as the occurrence of the high tides and the low tides. The rise of the sea level is named as high tide, and fall of the sea water level is named as low tide. When there is high tide, sea water can flow into a tank on the land. When there is low tide, water can flow back to the sea. During both these actions, energy is generated. This ideal energy can be used to rotate the plates of turbine, and thereby is possible to generate continued supplies of electricity to to use ideal energy efficiently, it is essential to have a significant difference of height of the water levels of the sea. In some countries, this difference of more than 3 meters. Okay, finish please.
Okay, Puta, very good. Okay, Imaya, you can start, Puta.
Yes.
Okay,
Imaya.
මේ screen එකේ දාලා තියෙන කියන්න පුළුවන් නේද?
Okay, no matter.
Why not?
I feel boring. What's on TV? Nothing. There must be something on TV. Nothing that's interesting. What about that new game show?
Okay, Puta, Dinuti, continue. Dinuti, Imaya?
Finish, teacher.
Finish. Okay, Puta. Then who's the next one?
මං කියන්නද?
Okay, start, Puta.
Olympic Games. The Olympic Games is the greatest international sport event in the world in which thousands of athletes can compete in different types of sports. The Olympic idea means friendship, fraternity, and cooperation among the people of the world. The original Olympic Games began in ancient Greece in 776 BC. These games were part of the festival held every fourth year in honor of god Zeus in the town called Olympia. It was a great athletic festival, including competition in wrestling, foot racing, and karate racing, rolling, and others. The Olympic Games were very important for ancient world. In the period of games, all players were stopped. The games were accompanied by arts festival. Sport wrestlers, their poems, singers sang hymns, all in honor of god Zeus, the sacred games.
Okay, Puta, finish. Okay, Dinuti, very good. Okay, who's the next one? Tarushi? Are you ready? Tarushi? Vimasha? Matila? Maliti? Imaya? Anyone? You can start.
Teacher, can I speak now?
Okay, start, Puta.
Yes, who is next?
The teacher asked us to form 5 groups. Sudeva, how can we do that? Raj, give me the register. Hawaz, here you are. Raj, thank you. We have 30 in our class. 13, yoga. That means 6 in one group. Hafaz, 6 in one group. Yoga, yes. Then 3 are 5 groups. Raj, thank you, Yoga, for helping me. Yoga, you are welcome. Sudeva, who all made the cleaning chart? Abdul, I think you should do it. Sudeva, you are the monitor. With me. It's all right. I all do it. Sudeva, thank you, with me. It's really nice of you. With me. It's my pleasure. After all, we are in the same class. Raj, yes, we are in the same class. Abdul, you are right. We should help each other. Thank you.
Pute, podi chance එකක් දෙමු විමාශට because she has battery issue.
කාටද?
Vimasha.
Okay, Vimasha.
Low battery. Okay.
Vimasha, okay.
You can take the chance, Vimasha.
Vimasha, you can talk, then others. Okay.
My dreams. Everybody dreams of being or doing something in his life. We go to school to prepare ourselves for doing something in the future. Some of my friends dream of being doctors and engineers. I also have my dreams. I dreams of becoming a doctor when I grow up. When I look around, I see many children and people suffering from so many diseases. Many of them are poor and hardly have any money to pay the doctors fee or to buy medicines. They have to suffer with no one to help them. Old people and children are the first suffering, and they are the one who fall ill, and sometimes I fear as they are not that strong. People in villages have never seen a proper. They visit their village doctor who is unable to help them in the correct way. This is in a number of days I feel, and when I see or read about such things, looking at all these sad conditions around me, I had intention to try and help some people live a better life. As a good citizen, it is my duty to help others less certainly than me. Of course, I must think.
Okay, Puta. Who's next one? Vimasha, good. Who's next one?
Okay, very good. Okay, who is next?
Malika.
Okay, start.
Sir, may I speak now?
Who is ready now?
Dinuti sir.
Pute, I'll give a chance to Matila and then I'll give to you. Mukado isalaka kataru na Matila, then Dinuti. Okay. Okay, no?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Next, I am.
Okay, Puta, like this. Okay, Matila, Dinuti, then Nimaya.
Sir, may I speak now?
Sure, sure.
Importance of reading books. Reading daily is one of the best habits one can possess. It develops our imagination and provides our fortune of knowledge. It is rightly quoted that books are our best companions. Books give all experience to us. It is important to read a good book at least for a few minutes each day to stretch the brain muscles for healthy functioning. Thank you.
Okay, Puta, next Dinuti, then Nimaya.
People think Sri Lankan music are better than them.
Okay, Dinuti, you can talk.
Now Dinuti, next Imaya.
Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a beautiful and most attractive historical place in India. It is a cultural monument of India which was built by the King Sahan Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. After her,
දාගන්න හැබැයි මං කියද්දි
it is situated in big area having lots of greenery in front and side, a river in back side, and lake and lawn. He is located in Agra, UP, India. It is one of the seven wonders of the world. It is most beautiful building made by the white marble. It is like a heaven of dream. It is designed in attractive way and adorned with royal beauty. It is one of amazing nature's beauties on the earth.
Okay, Puta. Very good. Imaya, you can talk now.
Okay, Maya, you can start. And Tarushi, get ready. Maliti,
next
next
start.
get ready. Yeah.
I am Imaya Chatundi. I am in grade 6. I like gardening and reading books. In my free time, I have a small garden in my home. There are different types of vegetables and fruits in my garden. I work in the garden with my mother and father. We have a compost pile in our garden and we use only compost as feed fertilizer for the fruits and vegetables we grow. This way we will not kill any of the animals and insects that help the plants to grow from our garden. We also give some of these fruits and vegetables to our neighbors. When I grow up, I want to write a book on the import of protecting the environment.
Now I know in front of politicians they
Okay. Tarushi, what about you? Are you ready? Tarushi?
Teacher man කියන්නද?
Okay, start Tarushi.
My favorite TV program. My hobby is watching TV programs. I watch many TV programs. Among those programs, my favorite one is Nana Mihira. It is an educational program. It is shown on Rupavahini TV channel. It is telecasted at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. on every weekdays. It is very useful program. I like to watch it very much. Thank you.
Okay, Puta, Tarushi, very good. Okay, who's the next one? Maliti, Mathilan, Dinuti, Kaviti,
Yes.
and
Okay,
Imaya.
Maliti. Yes, Maliti, start. Show Maliti.
Okay,
Start.
Maliti, start.
Okay. Games I like to play. The games I like most in badminton. All it takes is a willing partner, two rackets, and a shuttlecock. We do not even need a net. After all, we simply enjoy hitting the shuttlecock to each other. My sister and I spend hours doing this just about every day. We are not going to be world champions. It is simply great fun. We used to do this with two all toy rackets. Since then, our father had bought us two real, although cheap rackets. I must say, we enjoyed the game even more. Sometimes, even my mother comes to join in the fun when she has the time for it. Since we play outdoors, we are at the mercy end of the weather. We often have to pause when the wind is too strong. It is difficult to hit the shuttlecock properly.
Properly.
When the wind properly blows it away, sometimes it rains, making it impossible to play. I do play other games in school to be much fun. So
Mhm.
I stick to badminton and table tennis.
Okay, very good. Yes, who is next? Okay, when you are get ready,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Maya.
May I speak now?
Why not start?
Sudhir, hello yoga, good morning. Yoga. Hello Sudhir, good morning. Is this grade 6A? Sudhir. Yes, this is grade 6A. Yoga. Great. That means I am in your class. Sudhir, welcome to our class. Yoga. Thank you. Visni and Arti. Akil
Akhil.
here.
Akhil.
Akil here. Bismi is here, but Akil is not. He is in grade 6B. Raj is also in our class. Yoga. Who? We will miss him. Where are the others? They are arranging
Arranging.
the class. Arranging the class. Yoga. Shall we go in? Sudeva. Yes. Let's help them. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Dinuti, are you going to talk?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, start Dinuti.
Badulla was an isolated village until the British built roads from Kandy and Norelia in the mid-9th century as part of growing plantation economy. By the 20th century, Badulla had become a regional hub with the British establishing it as the capital of Uva Wellassa, now known as the Uva province. Badulla still has a number of British colonial buildings existing, including the Badulla railway station, St. Thomas Mark's Church, and the old Wheeler Badulla district is one of the leading tea producing districts, second only behind the Norelia district. The town has grown steadily since the country independence from approximately
Okay, Putra.
13,000 in 1946 to 38,000 in 1977 and 47,487 in
Mhm.
2011. Badulla is a multinational city with the ancient Mutiyangala temple situated in its heart. The Catholic Church has a diocese headquartered here. Finish.
Okay, Buddha. Yes. Who is next? Tarushi, Matila.
So may ye speak now?
Sure, why not?
A day at the park. It is a fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friends, Vignesh, Situli, Rishi and Amanda are in the park with their families. Rishi is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Nias is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. His father is walking beside him. Nias is smiling happily. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket. Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters Sharon and Rebecca are playing on a seesaw. Situli is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, Kaviti, you can start then. Kaviti.
Sir, may I speak next?
After Kaviti, okay. After Kaviti. Today, මට පොඩ්ඩක් හැමෝම ඊළඟට next on නම් ඔයාලට next on නම් මට message එකක් දාලා තියන්න. ඒතර මම ඒවා ගානට balance කරලා දෙන්නම් message එක අනුව. Chat message එකක් දාන්න next කියලා දාන්න. Sir, may I speak next කියලා දාන්න. Then I can give you a chance. Okay, yes, Mathila. Not Mathila, then now Dinuti, then now Kaviti, then Mathila.
Sir, may I speak now?
Okay, today Kaviti නේද මම ඊළඟ chance කිව්වේ. කවිතට පස්සේ Mathila.
At some point in her region, he accepts foreign influence into her court. Products were important for Europe during region. Even population were important from Europe, including whole German colonies that would later reach the Russian-German conflict. However, after 1518, Russia abandoned their Western fashion and began making steps to their sources. Everything changes after 1815 with Nicholas I wanting Russia spoke at the court. The local population increased the double every 20 years, and military power increased with emperor claiming the despotism and tyranny were not the same. The descriptions of Russia and terrified by the Marquis and very medico and city depositors.
Okay.
Bank. It is Georgia, the most part of casting on his talk with the Empress and the
Chat message them.
past and not with the reformist. Here, custom Empress and Russian exceptions go with Russian regulatory in casting words. Russian regulatory has been liquidated by Anglo-Mania.
Yes. Okay, Dinuti finish. Kaviti finish.
Yes.
Okay, then Mathila.
Sir, may I speak now?
Yeah, Puta should start. Then Imaya. After Mathila, Imaya.
Sir,
Mathila start. Okay.
Amanda, this book looks interesting. Buddhi, yes, why don't you borrow it? Librarian, please stop talking. This is a library. You have to be silent here. Amanda and Buddhi, oh, very sorry. We are sorry. Amanda, I would like to borrow this book. librarian. I'm sorry, you can't borrow this book. You have to read it in the library. Amanda, that's all right. I'll read it here. Thank you.
Yes, Buddha. Okay, now Imaya.
Our needs. We need oxygen to breathe. We need food to eat. We need a place to live. We need water to drink. We need clothes to wear. We need medicine when we are sick. Okay, so finish.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, yes. Who is next?
දිනුති
Okay, Dinuti.
සර් මං කියන්නද?
Okay, sure. Dinutiට පස්සේ පුතේ. Dinuti දැන් ඉල්ලුවා chance එක. ඊට පස්සේ එතකොට තරුෂි.
Sir, may I speak next?
Okay, පුතේ. තරුෂිට පස්සේ ඔයා. Okay, now Dinuti, then Tarushi, then Matila. Okay.
The result of the French and Indian War. The French and Indian War, as it is known in America, or the 7 Years' War, as it is known in Europe took place between 1756 and 1763. The war was fought primarily between the colonies of British America and New France, with both sides supported by military units from their parent countries of Great Britain and France. The Native Americans in the unsettled territories aided the French for the reason that they were afraid of the ruthless Americans. Finish.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, now Tarushi, then Matila, then Imaya.
Finish, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Now start. Matila. Then sorry, now Tarushi. Now Tarushi. Now
Sir,
Tarushi.
මං කියන්නද?
Go start, Buddha. Start. Yes. Okay, no matter.
My favorite book is Madolduwa. It is a children novel. It is written by Mr. Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an agricultural story.
Adventurous.
Adventurous story. The main characters in the story are two boys. They are Upali and Jinna. Upali is the leader of the boys gang. It is an enjoyable story. I like it very much. Thank you.
Okay, finish, Tarushi, or not? Tarushi, finish? Oh,
Finish.
okay, Matila, Imaya.
Sir, may I speak now?
Yes, Buddha, your chance. Yes.
Gajamannona. Gajamannona was a famous Sri Lankan poet. Her real name was Dona Isabella Coronelia. She was born on the 10th of March 1746 in Kolpetti. She was well known for her ability to write and recite impromptu Sinhala poetry. She learned Sinhala from Pandit Koratota Thero. Gajamannona passed away on the 15th December 1814. She was 56 years old when she died. Thank you.
Next.
Yes, Buddha, very good. Huh? Okay.
Next me.
Next chance එක දෙන්න තියෙන්නේ ඉමායට නේද? ඊට පස්සේ දෙන්නම් වාට. දැන් මතිලද ස්පීක් කරේ? මතිල නේද ෆිනිෂ් කරේ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. පුතේ මම ඔයගොල්ලෝ ක්ලාස් එක නම් තව ක්ලාස් එකක් යනවා ඒකයි මේ හොඳේ. ක්ලාසස් මම අද දැන් උදේ 8 ඉඳන් කරන්නේ. දැන් මේ වෙලාවේ ක්ලාස් දෙකක් යනවා එක ඔයගලන්ට සපෝට් එක දෙන ගමන් තව ක්ලාස් එකක් කරනවා මිසුත් එක විදිහව කරන්න මට okay yes now Imaya.
Amali. Hi, Rashini. How are you? Rashini. I'm fine, thank you. Amali. Who about these days? What are you doing? Rashini. Nothing special, but I'm attending a new English class. Amali. Who really? I too like to join you. Rashini. Okay, then let's go to the class next Wednesday at 3 p.m. Amali. Okay, I'll meet you. Bye. Bye. Rashini. Bye.
Sir, may I speak now?
Yes, okay, start.
Electronegativity. Electronegativity means ability of an atom of the element to attract the electrons of a bond towards itself when it is bonded to an atom of another element. The attraction of an atom of higher electronegativity towards electrons is greater than that of lower electronegativity. More about electronegativity will be discussed under the unit on chemical bonds. As per a Pauling scale, fluorine is considered the element of highest electronegativity. There are several scales to quantify the electronegativity of the Pauling scale has been added here. Pauling scale does not assign electronegativity values to noble gases. Noble gases less tendency to form chemical bonds. Study the electronegativity values. The graphs that illustrate the variations of the electronegativity values well. It can be seen that the electronegativity increase from left to right across the periodic. It is also seen that down a group electronegativity.
Okay, Puta, very good. Maliti, you can talk. You can start. You have put a message.
Okay, Malati, you can now.
The school of the future. I think the school of the future will be a happy place. It will be a place where happy children will be excitedly involved with learning activities which will benefit them greatly. They will be studying in a healthy and clean environment. The school building will be clean and inviting. Students will enjoy many faculties that technology has brought them. We'll take the children from one building to another. All the classroom will be equipped with faculties of technology so that learning will be an exciting experience. There will be chance to gain hand-on experience as students will be get to go on field trips regularly. Only human beings can impart feelings and ensure that students understand their role in the world as caring and responsible inhabitants of this planet. The school of the future will make sure that the students leave school with the necessary skills to fit the empowerment market and be good citizens of the country. Students must understand that they have a role to play in this world. When they leave school, they must be good human beings of whom the country can be proud. Thank you.
Okay, Malti, very good. Now Imaya. After Imaya, Dinuti. After Dinuti, Maliti. Not Maliti, Matila. Okay, Imaya, you can start.
Teacher, next me.
My mother. My mother's name is Chaturika
Okay,
Priyadarshini.
let's give the chance to Imaya. because she has put the message first. Then after Imaya, I can give the chance to Dinuti. Okay. Okay, Maya, you start.
My mother's name is Chaturika Priyadakshani. She is my favorite person. She is very kind. She is a good mother. Her favorite color is
Get
pink.
ready.
My mother's favorite food is mango. Her hobby is watering plants. My mother's birthday is in May. She is 39 years old. Her favorite animal is rabbit. She is a housewife. My mother is very beautiful. She has a long hair. She can teaching. I love my mother.
Okay, Puta, very good. Imaya.
Okay, who is next?
Matila, you can start.
No. Next is I think Dinuti, no?
No.
Matila.
Dinuti talks.
Okay, then Matila.
Imaya talks.
Okay,
Now
then Matila. Then you, Matila, start.
So may I speak now?
Okay,
Why
start.
not? Start. Yeah, waiting. And then Tarushi and Maliti. Okay.
Mohideen Beg. Mohideen Beg was a popular Sri Lankan musician. He was born on the 5th of December 1919. He came to Sri Lanka from Tamil Nadu, Indian, although he was not a Buddhist. Most of his songs had Buddhist themes. Even today, after many years of his death, we hear his songs. Beg's son, Ishaq, is also a singer. Mohideen Beg was the first Sri Lankan to sing with Lata Mangeshkar. He passed away on the 4th of November 1991. Thank you.
So next, me.
Okay, Puta.
When muted, it's not recorded. Nothing recorded.
Teacher,
Who is next?
Okay, start, Puta.
Who?
Dinuti
Okay,
said,
Puta, Dinuti, you can start.
friendship requires that fair mean betwixt likeness and unlikeness. I hate where I look for a mainly furtherance or at least a many resistance to find a much of concession. Better be a nettle in the side of your friend than his echo. The condition which high friendship demands is ability to do without it. Let it be an alliance of two large formidable natures, mutually beheld, mutually fear before yet the recognize the identity between these distinguish them. Finish the next me.
Okay, Puta, very good. Imaya, you can start. Next.
Teacher, may I speak next?
Puta, after Imaya, may I give the chance to Tarushi because she was waiting. Doesn't matter now?
Then you.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Matila. Okay, Imaya, you can start.
Okay. Sharks have fine, sharp teeth and they swim in the ocean. They have been around for a very long time. Sharks have lived in the oceans even
Putte,
before dinosaurs.
Suinius කියලා. Suinius. මතක සැමරුම් Suinia එකක්. Suinius.
ඇහෙන්නේ
No. You can start. Continue, Imaya. I can hear.
Okay, teacher. Before dinosaurs roamed the earth, sharks, a fish, and there are over 400 types of sharks. When the babies The babies are called pups. Sharks or shark lost their teeth throughout their lives. When a shark lost a tooth from another row of teeth will move into its place. Sharks might look teacher SCARY
NP.
Sorry.
SCARY
FT.
SC
පුතේ chat එකක් දාන්නකෝ.
FEARY Fury.
හරිද පුතේ? FEARY.
නෑ teacher.
පුතේ chat එකක් දාන්නකෝ බලන්නම්ම.
Okay teacher.
Okay, continue Imaya.
Hi teacher.
පුතේ scary. Scary කියන්නේ බියගුළු බය වගේ.
බය වෙලා.
බය වෙලා.
බය හිතෙන.
බය හිතෙන. Scary.
But they are not usually dangerous to people. People are more dangerous to sharks. Science since they hurt sharks. To be safe throughout, it is a good idea to leave sharks alone if you see them. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Today, next chance may I give to Tarushi. Tarushi, are you ready?
Teacher,
Tarushi, yes, Puta Adinuti.
ACCELERATING එක meaning එක මොකක්ද?
Accelerating.
Accelerate පුතා accelerate කරනවා වේගය වැඩි කරනවා යමක ස්පීඩ් එක වැඩි කරනවා පුතේ are you ready Tarushi and Tarushi okay then Mathila you can start Mathila you can start then Mathila you ask Mathila if you want you can start Mathila
Okay, sir.
okay
Yes, given. Tarushi will stay.
Sumudu. Harini, I get up at 5 o'clock. At what time do you get up? Harini, I get up at 4:45 a.m. and my mother gets up at 4:30 a.m. I help my mother to make tea. My mother gets up at 4 o'clock. She makes tea and wakes me up, my sister and I help her to cook. We took help our mother to cook. I peel onions and my father scrapes coconut. I worship Lord Buddha and then study for some time. Harini, we offer flowers to God Ganesh and pray. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Puta.
What mean by pray?
Pray means
PRAY or PREY
Yadina.
PRAY.
pray යාඥා කරනවා PREY pray ගොදුර
Thank you, sir.
okay ma'am.
Pray. Our school bus comes at 6:30 a.m. So I get ready and have my breakfast. My sister and I worship our parents and leave home. Harini, I walk to the school with my mother and brother. We took worship our parents. Thank you.
okay
Okay, Puta, very good.
මේ මැසේජ් වල පිළිවෙලට මම දෙන්නේ ෆස්ට් මැසේජ් from දිනුති තමයි මුලින් මැසේජ් එක then මල්ලිති then ඉමායා ආපු පිළිවෙලට මම දෙනවා පුතේ මැසේජ් එක ගැන පිළිවෙලට දෙන්නේ Tarushi when you are ready tell me Tarushi ලෑස්තිද මට කියන්න okay now දිනුති මල්ලිති then ඉමායා then Tarushi ටක් ගාලා දාලා තියන්නේ මම මැසේජ් එකක් නෝ දැන් කියන්න ටක් ගාලා okay Mathila
Dinuti, you start, Puta.
My favorite person is my sister. I love her so much.
Yes, Puta, continue. Dinuti.
She sacrifices for me a lot. She is my asking sister for me. She shares everything with me like a friend, and she is a best friend for me always. She helps me a lot with my homework. I love her to the core. I made her happy in her life. She un- my beautiful away meet. I love her so much. She is precious woman for me. She prepares me hygiene lunch and she says many bedtime stories. She cares me a lot. She carried me for 10 months and got me a gift. I love my sister. Finnish teacher.
Okay,
Very
Dinuti,
good, very
very
good. Okay,
good.
who is next?
Then Maliti.
Maliti, then Nimaya.
Maliti, if you are ready, talk.
Okay.
Okay,
A
start.
a day by the sea. One day last holidays, my friends and I went to Bentota. My uncle who lives there had invited us. My aunt gave us a good breakfast. After breakfast, we went down to the sea. Some fishermen were setting out to fish in a boat. My friends and I asked them to take us along, so they took us. It was a motorboat made of fiberglasses. We could see the sea, the fish, and other living things in the sea. We were quite excited watching this. After an 1 hour, 1 hour the go for a swim. We went far out into the sea and swam to our heart's content. Then we went back to my uncle's. My aunt had prepared kinds of seafood. We enjoyed the meal. In the afternoon, we collected a variety of seashells and seaweed to take back with us as souvenirs. We also found some oysters. In the evening, we got back home after a lovely day by the sea. Thank you.
Okay, Maliti, very good. Next, Imaya Chatuddi. Next, Imaya.
Ravi, it's a sunny day. Shall we go out and play? Shan, it's a good idea. Shall we call Kiran to join us? Ravi, I think he is not at home. I saw him going with his parents. Oh, Shan, oh, he may have gone to see his garden parents, grandparents. Ravi, I think so. Shan, let's play a game of cricket. Finish teacher.
Okay, Maya, very good. Next chance, Kaviti. Kaviti, if you are ready, you can talk. Kaviti, you can start with.
Story and characteristics. The name of story Madolduwa lives island of the Mangu in Sinhala language. The story takes place in the 1890s and portrays the lifestyle and culture of the period. It is presented as a narrative by Upali Ginivalla and gives the adult treatment of the children and the inability to understand them in a sarcastic and humorous way. Madalduva is presented in simple language. Upali and Jinnah and the two main characters of the story. Upali is boy who likes to be independent and he is the leader of a boy gang in his village. He likes charisma and adventure. Although mischief at the first, he learns to be responsible later on. Upali, devoted friend, her helper. Chinna is an enthusiastic and courageous boy, and Upali admits that he couldn't could not have managed without Gina. Other characteristics include Gabalala, a helpful farmer who allows the boys to work for him and or teach them farming and hand fires, fires and later helps them when they go to Mother Dua and Punti Mahatya, a lazy and ID man who arrives at the island and start to live there with Upali and Jinnah. Jinnah thinks he is brave and but under their guidance and encouragement he becomes an active and energetic man. Okay, did you finish?
Okay, Puta. Kaviti, very good. Next chance, Imaya.
My school is Central
Excuse me,
College.
teacher.
Pute, Matila.
Yes, Matila.
Teacher, මේ ඊළඟට මම නේද?
කවිතිට පස්සේ ඔයා පුතේ මැසේජ් එකක් දැම්මද?
ඔව්.
හරි. එහෙනම් මම chance එක දෙන්නම් මතිලට. ඊට පස්සේ මායට දෙන්න.
Teacher, may I speak now? My hobby is reading storybooks. It is a very interesting and useful hobby. I started this hobby when I was in grade 5. I have a small library in my room and I have more than 200 books in my library. I am also a member of the public library in Moratua. My favorite books are The Shepherd, Bermuda Triangle. My favorite authors are Frederick Forsyth, Lasita Ravin Umagiliya. My hobby helps me to improve my knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, Matila, very good. Okay, Imaya, now you can start. Imaya, Pute, you can start.
Okay, teacher. My school is Piliandala Central College. It is in Colombo district. There are classes from 6 to 13. There are 160 teachers about in my school, and there are about 2,000 students in my school. There are 2 labs in my school. My school is very beautiful school. I love my school. Finish, teacher.
Okay, Imaya, very good. Dinuti, you have put a message. Okay, you can start.
Teacher, may I speak next?
Okay, Dinuti, you can start. Matila, Puta, just a minute. Tarushi, are you ready? Tarushi, ready the Pute?
Next Imaya. Tarushi, ready na Tarushi?
Oh. Tarushi, ready the Tamana.
Ready there? Okay, then Imaya.
Hari.
Okay, then Imaya.
Next, Imaya Kiwa.
Imaya
Dinuti.
Kiwa.
Oh, Dinuti. Okay, Dinuti, you can start.
On 31 December 2019, the whole country office
After Dinuti, Matila.
Okay, ma'am. Teacher.
for China was informed of cases of teacher
Yes, Puta, Dinuti.
another
Oh, Hena. Yes, I can hear.
pneumonia of unknown cause in Wuhan, China. Authorities identified the new type of coronavirus, subsequently named COVID-19 on 30 January 2020, who Director General declared the outbreak of COVID-19 a public health emergency of international concern PHEICN on 11 March 2020. COVID-19 was characterized as a pandemic. The minister teacher
Yes, Buddha, ask. I'm here.
pandemic කියන්නේ මොකද්ද?
Endemic කියන පුතේ අපිට ආවේනික කියන එක. Endemic ආවේනික.
The Ministry of Health and Indigenous Medical Services
පුතේ කොරෝනාද? කොරෝනාව එපිඩෙමික්ද වගේ එපිඩෙමික්ද?
yes,
Endemicද එපිඩෙමික්ද?
epidemic.
that is පුතේ අර අපිට තියෙන මොකක්ද වල කියන්නේ මේ වසංගත.
Yes.
Okay පුතේ.
Collaboration with the WHO Country Office for Sri Lanka continue to closely monitor the situation and to strengthen preparedness and response efforts. We are closely working with key partners to effectively and efficiently combat COVID-19. More than 6 months into this pandemic, Sri Lanka has made great progress in controlling the spread of COVID-19. However, the theatre is not over yet. We must build on the progress made to keep ourselves, our loved ones, and our communities safe, healthy, and thriving. Thank you, sir.
Okay Buddha. Okay. Finish? Yes.
Yes.
Okay Buddha.
May I speak now?
Yes, Buddha. Yes, Buddha. Like this, මෙහෙම Matila, then Nimaya, then if you want Tarushi, then again Kaviti, and then finishing. Okay.
My favorite storybook. My favorite storybook is Ugly Duckling. It was written by a famous writer called Hans Christian Andersen. He wrote beautiful fairy tales for children. This story has also been made into movie. The story is about a little duckling. Everyone thought he was ugly. His parents, brothers and sisters did not bother with him because he was different. He did not look like them. Everyone made fun of him. He was lonely and sad. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Very good. Next, Imaya. Start.
මම අර මැසේජ් එකක් දැම්ම වචනයක් ඒක ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන විදිය කරන් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Heavy කියන්නේ පුතේ අදිබර කියන එක heavy. After Imaya, Tarushi or Kaviti. Imaya පස්සේ කවිතර හෝ තරුෂිට දෙනවා. දෙන්නට chance දෙනවා. then finish ඊට පස්සේ ඉවරයි.
An elephant is a very fat animal. It has a heavy body. It lives for about 120 years. Its ears are very small and eyes are very small, and it has a short tail with a tuft of hair at the end. The elephant has a long trunk and it uses it for drinking water. It has 2 large ears like big fans. The elephant loves to play in the water. The elephant eats grass, leaves, nuts, bananas, and bamboo. The man who looks after the elephant is called a teacher.
Yes, Buddha. I'm listening. Yes, Buddha. Anna.
M-A-H-O-U-T.
H-O-U-T.
M-A-H-O-U-T.
Mahoot. Mahoot. අර පුතේ මේ සත් අලිය බලා ගන්න මොකද යාර සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ? ඇද්ගුවා. Okay.
At Goa.
Yes, yes. Okay පුතේ. ඉමායා okay. ඉමායා finished the
Nasser
Okay,
called
continue.
a
Okay.
mahout. Elephants live in thick jungles. The elephant is a very insolent and an obedient animal. Finish, sir.
Okay, Maya, very good.
Next.
Next, Dinuti. Then, Mathila.
Teacher, next me. I'm Kaviti.
තරුෂි රෙඩි නම් තරුෂිලා ඊළඟට දෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි finish කරනවා හැමෝටම එක chance එක ගන්න දීලා.
Once upon a time, there was an ant.
Okay, Puta. Talk. Kaviti. Kaviti or Dinuti?
Kaviti teacher.
Okay, Puta. Continue.
Once upon a time, there was an ant and a grasshopper. They lived in great the summer time. The ant worked all day long to carry food. The ant was far away to find food. The grasshopper laughed at the ant. "You can't do this. What you work so hard, dear ant. But it is summer." The grasshopper said, "Come, let's enjoy." And the ant did not listen to the grasshopper. I don't know. The grasshopper don't waste his chance. Dear ant, said the grasshopper. No, if you waste time, the grasshopper, soon the summer will end and we have
Teacher.
you are waiting.
Oh, Pute, kiyan Pute? Mathila. Ahal Pute.
Teacher, may I speak next?
Okay, Pute, after Dinuti, Mathila, then Tarushi.
The ant was
Then Imaya, then finish it.
Yes.
autumn and winter came. The days were cold, not hot, snow began to fall. It was freezing. The grasshopper could not sleep. It was very hungry, but there was nothing to eat. Where shall I go now? Who will help me? The grasshopper went to the ant. All day long I worked hard. You waste your time, said the ant. I am hungry and cold. Give me something to eat, said the grasshopper. So the ant gave some food. That day, grasshopper learned a lesson. If we prepare today for the next of tomorrow.
Okay, Puta. Mathila, you can start.
My favorite teacher is Mr. Taraka Kotalawala. He is my English teacher. He live in Piliyandala. He teach us very well and they work very hard to teach us. He is very kind. He like him very much because he has a good memory and very good knowledge. He is very smart. He conducts his classes in Piliyandala. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, next chance is for Imaya, no?
No, Tarushi.
Tarushi, then Imaya, then finish it.
Tarushi, you have to talk, huh?
තරුෂි රෙඩි නම් කතා කරමු නැත්නම් ඉමායට. ඕකේ ඉමාය පුතේ පටන් තරුෂි තියෙන තාම පටන් ගන්න. ඊට තරුෂි කතා
Okay, අද මේ reading කළා විතරයිනේ.
reading
මොකද පුතේ?
අද මොනවද ලියන්නද සර්?
නෑ. Tuesday class එකේ තමයි ලියන්නේ. අද class එකේ practical විතරයි.
Tuesday class එක මම teach කරනවා උගන්වනවා. Saturday එකේ practical විතරමයි. පාඩම් ගන්නවා විතරමයි.
ඕකේ. එතකොට දවස් දෙකේම class තියෙනව නේද?
නැතුව අම්බෝ අනිවාර්යයෙන්. හරි පුතේ දැන් අපි ඔයාගෙන් පස්සේ
කවදද කීයටද සර්?
ටියුට් එක පුතේ මම ඔයාට හරියටම මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න පුතේ 40 වුණාම දැන් හදාගෙන යනවා ඊළඟ ටියුට් එක. තරුෂි chance එකක්
meeting
තියෙනවා.
වෙලාව
Tuesday Tuesday මට ටියුටර් Tuesday 6 කෝට 6 කාලා මේ වගේම තමයි. ඊළඟ chance එක පුතේ තියෙනවා දැන් ඔන්න තරුෂිට. තරුෂි ගන්න නැත්නම් ඉමායට. ඉමාය ගන්න නැත්නම් කවිතට ඊට පස්සේ finish කරලා දානවා අපි.
So may I speak now?
Sure පුතේ start. Okay.
Okay, start.
My teddy with a skip and a hop and a hop and a skip. My teddy is a dancing on tip. He tops the corner and plays a big drum with a rum and a tum and a rum tum tum. He skips to the table and picks up a fiddle. He can't play much, but they diddle. Finish, teacher.
Okay, පුතා very good. තරුෂි පුතේ බලාගෙන හරි කියන්න ස්පීච් එකක් මොකක් හරි බලාගෙන ඩයලොග් එකක් හරි කියන්න.
Teacher, next me.
පුතේ දිනුති give me 5 minutes. තරුෂි පුතේ ඩයලොග් එකක් බලාගෙන හරි කියන්න පුළුවන් නම් කියන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් මම chance එක දෙන්නම් කවිතිට. Okay, Kaviti, then you take the chance.
Teacher, I am Dinuti.
Okay.
Okay. Amaya, mother, I like to see the bird. Father, Amaya, first we will see the fish. We are following the map. Amaya, all right, father. There are fish. Manuka. Now we are the entrance fish are in the first block. Mother, here is the first block. This is aquarium. It is dark here. Amaya, hold my hand. Amaya, mother, these fish are very nice. What are they called? Father, let's see the boat there. Oh, they are clownfish. They live in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. There are arapaima fish in the next tank. They are very big, brother. There are a lot of fish here. Did we miss any? Manuka, no, we didn't. The birds are in the third, fourth, and fifth block. Let's go there. Amaya, wonderful. I love birds. Let's go there soon. Manuka, sister, those are macaws. They are very colorful. Amaya, they are creaking. Look at the pheasant. I love them a lot, father. Where are the monkeys? Are they in the next block? Father, no son. They are in the 15th block. The next block is for butterflies. Amaya, I am bit tired. Mother, can I wash my face? Mother, all right, they are step over there. Let's go. Father, let's sit on the bench. Manuka, we will wait for them. Amaya, all right, father. We will be back soon. Finish, teacher.
Okay, තරුෂිට ඕන නම් තරුෂි chance එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි finish කරනවා. Okay පුතේ, then thanks for joining today. Good night. See you next day. Tuesday වලට හොඳ ලෑස්ති වෙලා ඉන්න. Okay පුතා.
Thank you, sir.
Good
Good night, sir.
මොන හරි රීඩින් දෙන්නවද හෝම්වර්ක් මොන හරි දෙන්න ඕනේද?
පුතේ මම එහෙම විශේෂයෙන් එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. Tamanට ඕන දෙයක් ලෑස්ති වෙන කියලා තමයි මම කියන්නේ බලාගෙන. පාඩම් කරන්න ඕන දෙයක් ලෑස්ති වෙන්න.
Okay, sir.
Okay පුතා.
Thank you.
Okay.